Hey, I'm Hannah and I make interactive learning content using Genially and AI, and I share everything I build. Here's the latest. This is a click and locate quiz, and it works on any image, not just maps. The learner sees a question, clicks where they think the answer is on the image, and gets scored based on how close they are. Bullseye gets full points, close gets partial credit. No right or wrong cliff edge, just proximity scoring. Here's where it gets interesting for us as builders. You drop the target point directly on your image, then set two radius zones, one for the bullseye hit, one for the close enough range. You control how forgiving or precise you want the scoring to be. When the learner clicks, they get immediate feedback on where they landed and how many points they earned. It keeps a running score across questions and gives them a final result at the end. And because it's image-based, you're not locked into geography. Drop in a diagram of a piece of equipment, an office floor plan, a human body, anything where location or spatial recognition matters. Same widget, totally different use case. This one was built using the AI widget builder inside Genially, and I will put the template in the Genially community. Hope this was helpful. If you want to try it yourself, the link is in the description, and subscribe if you want to see more builds like this.